Hi everyone, welcome back to challenge number 2. Today as we travel around the world, we are talking about food. And food can be so different depending where you are. It's great to be able to share those differences with everyone else. As we prepare our food, you'd be amazed at the amount of literacy that's happening as we talk about a recipe, maybe read a recipe, listen to someone tell us how a recipe is made. We also have to do measurements and know ingredients and put them all together in the right way. There's a lot of thinking and problem solving that has to happen there. So today I'm going to share with you one of my family's favorite snacks called bugs on a branch.
For this recipe, you are going to need some celery, a child-safe knife or a knife an adult is going to use, a cutting board, a plate, and different types of spreads and toppings. For mine today, I've chosen peanut butter, cheese whiz, and cream cheese as my spreads, chocolate chips, raisins, and dried cranberries as my toppings. You don't have to have all of these, but it'll give you an idea of what you can use. So the first thing you're going to do is take a stalk of celery and cut off the ends. Once you've done that, you're going to wash and dry your celery. I've already done that step, and so I'm just going to put my clean celery on the plate. And we're going to add the spreads. I'm going to start with the peanut butter. I'm going to push it right into the celery all along the whole piece. And this will get messy, but that's okay. And just do all the other ones you have. Once you have all the spreads done, you can add your toppings. I'm going to start with chocolate chips, and I'm going to put that on my branch that has peanut butter on it. The chocolate chips are the bugs. Let's count how many we can put on this branch. I've got 1, 2, 3 chocolate chips on my peanut butter branch. How about our raisin bugs? We're going to put those on the cheese whiz. Let's count how many we can put on. 1, 2, 3 is a pretty good number for that one too. And last, we're going to use the dried cranberries for the cream cheese branch. 1, these are pretty big. I think we're only going to put 2 on. So there you have it, a fun little treat called bugs on a branch.
So was your family able to create a tasty treat, either using the recipe I gave you, or maybe you used one of your own? Whatever you did, I hope there was lots of fun and laughter and talking throughout. If you'd like to share a video or a picture or even your recipe with us, we would love that. You can post it with the hashtag below. Also below, I've included some links to some other recipes, to the Center for Family Literacy's app called Flit that has lots of activities like this, as well as to a book called The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Carle, read by Carle himself. I hope you enjoyed today's activity, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow at the next challenge.